I used to think I had a discipline problem. I don't. Most men don't. What we actually have is a morning problem. Because the way you start your day decides how weak or strong your mind will be for the next 12 hours. Let me tell you something honestly. On days I wake up and wait for motivation, I lose. On days I wake up and follow a few simple habits, discipline just shows up on its own. No hype, no forcing, no mental war. So I'll tell you exactly what I do every morning, not what sounds cool, what actually works. First rule, I don't think when I wake up. The moment I open my eyes, I stand up. No checking how tired I feel. No 5 more minutes. No phone. Because the second you start thinking, your brain will start negotiating. And your brain always negotiates for comfort. Standing up immediately sounds stupidly simple, but it kills laziness before it's born. Second habit, cold water. Not a full shower if you don't want it. Even cold water on the face or neck is enough. Why? Because it forces you into the present moment. You stop overthinking. You stop feeling sorry for yourself. Your mind wakes up fast. Discipline doesn't start with motivation. It starts with awareness. Third habit, my body moves before my phone does. Push-ups, a short walk, stretching, anything. I don't care what it is. My body must obey once before my brain gets entertainment. This trains one thing. I move first. I don't wait. Fourth habit. One clear win for the day. Not a long to-do list. Not 10 goals. One thing. If I finish this one thing, the day's a win. That's it. This removes overwhelm. And overwhelmed men never stay disciplined. Fifth habit. No dopamine early in the morning. No scrolling, no random videos, no cheap pleasure. Because if you feed your brain pleasure first, it won't work later. It'll just want more. I learned this the hard way. Discipline isn't about being strict. It's about being smart with your energy. That's it. No motivation, no yelling at yourself, no pretending to be strong, just structure. Do this consistently, and something strange happen? You stop fighting yourself. Discipline becomes quiet, automatic, and that's when you actually change. If this helped even a little, stay here and subscribe to the Quiet Alpha.